One thing I will say about the Arctic, that thing that I told you about the ice melt, right? Well, one of our reporters went to Alaska and wrote about how Alaska is, above the Arctic Circle has longer and longer periods that are ice-free. And that does affect the weather. And you know where it affects the weather? It's not just like pushing, the cold down and creating the polar vortex in the wintertime. One of the ways it does, this is like the cutting edge of climate science, is it affects the jet stream in such a way that it makes the US West drier and hotter, and it leads to bigger fires, right? So what she did was, after she went to Alaska, she met a firefighter, a wildland firefighter, who fought this enormous fire that went through. He doesn't accept that climate change is real, right? But he knows that fire was real, and he knows that this is, and the fire season is longer, and that this is what he's up against. So we do try to make those connections, and we do try to work across the network. And